Ralph Lauren is a fashion brand that has become synonymous with luxury and elegance. Founded in 1967 by designer Ralph Lauren, the brand has grown to become one of the most iconic and recognizable fashion brands in the world. Lauren's career in fashion began in the 1960s, when he worked as a salesman for a necktie company. In 1967, he launched his own line of ties under the name Polo. The ties were a hit, and Lauren soon expanded his line to include other men's clothing items, such as suits and sport coats. In the 1970s, Lauren expanded his brand even further, introducing women's clothing, accessories, and home goods. He also began to focus on a preppy, Americana-inspired aesthetic, which would become a hallmark of the brand. This aesthetic was characterized by classic and timeless designs, such as blazers, Oxford shirts, and cable-knit sweaters. One of the key factors in Ralph Lauren's success has been its ability to appeal to a wide range of consumers. While the brand is known for its high-end and luxury items, it also offers more affordable items such as t-shirts and accessories. This has allowed the brand to maintain its prestige while still reaching a wider audience. Another factor in Ralph Lauren's success has been its ability to innovate and adapt to changing fashion trends. In the 1980s and 1990s, the brand expanded its offerings to include more casual and sportswear items, such as polo shirts and sweatshirts. In the 2000s, the brand began to focus more on international markets, opening stores in Europe and Asia. Ralph Lauren has also been known for its iconic advertising campaigns. The brand's ads often feature classic American imagery, such as cowboys, sports cars, and yachts. These ads have helped to reinforce the brand's image as a symbol of luxury and sophistication. In recent years, Ralph Lauren has continued to evolve and adapt to changing fashion trends. The brand has embraced digital technology, launching e-commerce sites and social media accounts to reach a wider audience. It has also continued to expand its offerings, introducing new lines such as RLX and RRL. Overall, Ralph Lauren's success can be attributed to its ability to combine classic and timeless designs with innovative and modern elements. The brand's focus on quality, luxury, and elegance has made it a favorite among fashion enthusiasts around the world. With its continued focus on innovation and adaptation to changing fashion trends, Ralph Lauren is sure to remain a fashion icon for many years to come. Ralph Lauren is one of the most recognizable fashion brands in the world, renowned for its luxurious and aspirational aesthetic. Founded in 1967 by Ralph Lauren, the brand originated as a line of premium polo shirts and menswear. Lauren's vision was to create an all-American ideal of style, luxury and status through clothing. His designs incorporated equestrian, yachting and preppy influences, representing affluence and leisure. Lauren launched his own label to achieve greater creative control and share his vision of style and glamour with more people. His first store opened on Manhattan's Upper East Side in 1972, cementing Ralph Lauren as a luxury brand for affluent consumers. Lauren juxtaposed luxurious fabrics and sportswear silhouettes to represent an aspirational lifestyle of wealth and privilege.